Here we are in week 2 of the term. Introduction, check. Syllabus, check. Faculty expectations, check. Discussion posts, check. Readings and studies, check. Well, I'm glad all of you have done this. Well, most of you. If you have not yet done so, post your initial thoughts to the discussion prompts in this unit. Remember, we move through this course together as a class. And, well, you'll get left behind. If you haven't picked up the books yet and began to read, do it, please. If you decide that you'll just wing every assignment and not read the material, it's like going to a sporting event, having your blindfolds on and earmuffs on. Basically, you're giving this institution your money and getting nothing out of it. And frankly, I could care less. If you just want a piece of paper at the end of graduating, that's what you'll get. Now, if you want to learn, I care. I have the time. And you will walk away from your undergraduate degree not only smarter and wiser, but better prepared to succeed against the challenges of the 21st century. Now let's talk about my favorite part of the class, group work. Many of you are dreading this portion of the course. Your apprehension is understandable. However, group work is a major component of the 21st century. It also is a major component of understanding OB concepts. And the assignments attached to it are the core learning outcomes of this course, which are using the concepts of organizational behavior to successfully advance your career. Imagine a world where you do work by yourself in a black box without collaboration. Good. I'm glad you have a sense of creativity. Now, back to reality. There are 7 groups of 4 to 5 members. Get onto the team forum and start communicating with your fellow group members today. Also, linked to this video is the underpinnings of how to respond to key words within question. This forum is the last discussion under the section Start Here on Your First Day. If you find your group at 2 or less people, please notify me so we can reorganize the groups and get you into some other groups. Now, the group work makes up over 60% of your grade, so it's kind of important. Now, look at assignment 3 and assignment 4, and you'll figure out how it's actually graded, and it's not all based on your group participation. It's also based on your individual contributions to your group. Also, linked to this video is the underpinnings of how to respond to key words within question. It is known as Bloom's taxonomy. Honestly, don't just go to this link and scan the material. Bookmark it and keep this piece of information with you for your life. Not only will you be wondering what's the difference between identifying and analysis in education, but in your career, where you may need to know the difference between analysis and evaluation. Keep Bloom and his taxonomy with you for the rest of your life. Well, it's been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and we're off to a great start. Keep up the stellar work, and see you out there.